Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away.
It's a letter maze.
Oh, then you gotta add 250. Never mind. They're expensive.
Do you not want to say?
No, I'm just I have a couple colors.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, no, you don't want to be on camera, huh? Oh, now you don't care?
I mean, what do you do?
We are on our way out. Well, we're about to eat breakfast. Say hi. Say good morning.
Good morning.
I'm not going. I'm here. Eat breakfast.
Just to help give it a wide angle. Yeah, we're here. We are at Beaches at the airport. Ready to go back to bed. So, we'll talk to you later. Where we going?
Vegas.
Vegas, baby. She was vlogging too.
Maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be. Fighting up the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be. Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. Nothing I'm not loving, maybe time to just have a staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
Hi, we're just going to get my bag and Mommy's bag.
Yeah.
Gotta put them in.
Okay. Yeah, good idea.
Yep, that's right. Look at all those guys. All those guys were naked.
To how I used to be.
I know. I think it's your toy. Yeah, you gotta be gentle. You got eyes. You got eyes. Oh, no. You like it all? Yeah, she's cute, huh?
Yeah, she has a rainbow shirt.
Wow, with a diamond? What you doing?
She's a headband.
Well, we made it.
She looked at
I know, she's licking my leg. Emily, stop it. Stop it.
Oh, she's cute.
We made it. We're at my dad's house. Relax time. love my Dutch Bros. Do you see a Dutch Bros near me? No. But I'm in the line for Dutch Bros. That starts up there. Well, it starts here where I'm at, but it's way over there around the corner. I made it. I made it. Woo-hoo. Dutch Bros. Loving it. What is up, everyone? Okay, so I wanted to hit the gym like this week, obviously to get some workout in. I might just do my own workout at the house. I don't know. It's crazy. I asked about childcare. 2 separate gyms, 24 hours in the Las Vegas, I don't know, LVAC. And both of them, I told them I'm in town for a week. So obviously, why would I keep certain records with me? Why would I bring certain things with me? And I asked them about the childcare, and they basically said I would need record of Ariel's vaccinations. Now, maybe it's because I don't vaccine her that I don't know that you're supposed to carry that with you. But when you're traveling, is this something that you're supposed to do? Like, I really don't know, because why would I bring that with me on a trip? I mean, I don't know, I guess. I was very confused. But maybe that's normal. Maybe it's just because I don't vaccine her. And so I don't keep records because there's no records to be had. Very interesting. Okay, well, I may be able to go, just not be able to go with her. So, it's kind of expensive though. $50 for a week? My goodness, that's how much I pay a month for my gym. I guess it's because I'm not a member. Whatever. Alright, that's all. So for dinner, my dad made some chicken, organic white basmati rice with vegetables and chicken. And Ariel wanted some tomato soup with crackers. Is it good? That's yummy, huh? And just water down her outfit. Well, I set them together, but shirt, skirt, her sandals. And for me, I have my Adidas, my Pharrell Adidas. These super cute, I don't know what they're called, but that along with my Adidas crop, fanny pack, necklace. And again, these shorts are super cute. They're actually given to me from my goddaughter because they were a little bit too grown for her, but we're inside, so we will catch you in a bit.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different.